Hey guys, how you doing? It's day 18 of the Purple Cow Arts and Crafts Advent Calendar. Let's see what we've got today. Okie dokie. Here we are at day 18. Okay, it's another small box. Let's hope there's something cool inside. And oh, okay. This is new. We have got one peg. 2 peg, 4 pegs, ribbon, 2 eyes, and a bauble. Okay, so today we're making a closed peg donkey, and the items that should have been in the box were red ribbon, 4 closed pegs, red pom-pom, and 2 googly eyes. 1, 2. Some extra items you will need. Scissors! Woo! Hot glue gun. Boo! And a black marker pen. I'll be using a Posca pen because I know it can draw on most surfaces, but you should be able to use something like a Sharpie if you don't have a Posca pen. Right, let's get making. Okay, so first things first, we're going to draw the legs onto 3 of the pegs. Literally like this with your pen. I'll get back to you when I've done all 3. Okay, so this is how my 3 pegs look now with the legs drawn on. I haven't coloured on the insides, but if you want to go that extra detail, you do it. Next, we're going to do the ears on this one. And it's the exact same thing as drawing on the legs, but we're going to go up higher. So I have a question of the day whilst we do the ears. And that is, what do you guys prefer, Posca pens or Sharpies when doing this kind of project? And I have a second question, which is, would you like to see me do a video where I make art with Sharpies? Because I do have a Posca playlist, if you want to look at that, which features Posca pens and Posca pencils. I really love Posca pencils. I don't have that much experience with pencils, but I found them to be really good, really pigmented. You can really build with them. So yes, would you like to see me do a video with Sharpies? And do you guys use them? What do you use them for? What do you use Posca pens for? I would like to do some more Posca art also, because at the moment I think the only major piece of Posca pen art I did was on canvas. And actually, you know what, I really recommend using Posca pens on canvas, but I would love to know what other surfaces you guys use Posca pens on. Like, this seems to be going on very nicely on wood, so I feel like I would quite like to do a wood Posca pen drawing / painting. Okay, so there we go, we've got the ears as well. Now we're gonna get our dear friend Hot Glue Gun involved. I'm gonna say it now before I get started. Hot Glue Gun is called Hot Glue Gun because it gets very hot. I have burnt myself whilst doing these crafts. This was the most physical of the burns. The other burns haven't left a mark, but that one did, and it hurt. We're going to glue all the way down the side of this peg to create the donkey's body. Come on. Let's think, what other glue could we use? You could definitely use super glue. I feel like you could use white glue as well, but you'd be having to hold these together for quite a while before they set, because the one big positive of using hot glue is how quickly it dries. It dries within a couple of minutes, unlike white glue or super glue that takes longer. Okay, so this is the main body of the donkey. The legs don't quite match up, so I think, you know what, I'm gonna just do some little corrections now so that they match up a bit more. Okay, and other side isn't as bad, but let's do that now. Okay, that'll do. So next we're going to glue on the ribbon and then the head of the donkey. So this time I'm just going to put hot glue at the top. Let's fold the ribbon. And place it on like that. Curses. Okay, we're gonna go again. I guess we're making a hot glue ribbon peg club sandwich. Okay, and we're gonna put it on again, being careful not to burn ourselves. And one more layer of hot glue on here, which is where the head is gonna go. It's gonna go on like that. So now we have the main body of our donkey. We're gonna let it dry for 5 minutes and then we're gonna decorate it. Okay, hot glue donkey is all dried. Now we're gonna start adding the details. First thing I wanna add is the tail. Now, I remember donkeys having tassel-y tails, like, so I think it would have been cute if we had some brown yarn like we used to make the reindeer yesterday to make the tail. But we have pom-pom, so we're going to work with pom-pom. But you know what? If you'd rather make a reindeer, you could use the pom-pom to be the reindeer's nose. I think that would be equally cute. But I've just put a little blob of hot glue on the donkey's butt. And now, trying not to burn yourself, put that on. And now on this side we're going to put hot glue on to do the donkey's eyes. I learnt from yesterday to not try and glue on the tiny eyes as they're very small and you will burn yourself. So I'm going to make a little line where I want the eyes to go. And I'm going to attempt to put the eyes on without burning myself at the same time. There we go! And here is one peg donkey. Aww, it's really cute! So, shall we get reviewing? So, for value for money, well, they give you all 4 pegs, which is quite nice. If you really hate this craft, you could always just use the pegs in your laundry. But you do get a Christmas charm out of it. And the time it took to do was quite good. I felt occupied. I'm going to give this one a 5 out of 5, because I find it weirdly charming. Next, completeness of kit. You needed scissors. You needed a pen, permanent marker, or a Posca pen, you know, whatever. Just a black pen that would draw on wood. And you needed hot glue. I think white glue and super glue would do it. You'd be waiting forever though for white glue to set. I'm afraid I probably have to give it just a 3 out of 5 just because it is quite reliant on hot glue and not everybody has hot glue. Finally, dexterity. I didn't find this too hard to do. Apart from the whole hot glue aspect, which I find inherently dangerous. I think anyone could do this. Okay, maybe your drawing might be a bit wonky. My drawing was a bit wonky, but I think that's what makes it charming. And like, if you look above, it isn't quite glued straight, but I think that adds to the charm. So as long as you can use a hot glue gun, you can do this one. So for dexterity, I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5. Shall we hang our donkey on the tree?
Well, thank you for making it to the end of the video with me. I'd love to know what your favourite part was. If you could leave a comment in the comment section below. Would you have made a donkey or a reindeer? If you could like, subscribe, turn on all notifications and share this video, that would be amazing. You can follow me at Enchanted Violin on Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Links will be in the description box below, as well as links to my online comic companions and my Patreon. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 19. Goodness, Christmas is getting closer, isn't it? I'll see you then. Bye!